Guys, Mark here from Act Personal Safety Australia. Today we're going to be road testing the Ring video doorbell. Unfortunately around Australia there's a lot of home invasions and burglaries that are happening where criminals are dressing up as tradesmen and they're knocking on the front door. If there's no one home, there's no answer, they're just entering and doing whatever the hell they want.
What's the delivery for?
For the owner.
Is there a name on the delivery?
It's just for the owner of the property. I need you to come out and sign for it.
Okay, I don't think we're expecting any deliveries today. So I don't think...
I just come out and sign for it. Otherwise I can't deliver it.
I don't want to sign anything that hasn't got a name on the package. Sorry.
I won't take long. Just come out and sign for it and I can deliver it.
No, sorry. I think you're gonna have to go.
Part of the solution to that problem, in conjunction with your own home safety plan, and if you don't have one, we can help you with that, is the use of this device, which is the Ring video doorbell. So how does it work? It's pretty simple. You've got a doorbell here that's connected to your Wi-Fi at home or your business, and with that, when someone presses that doorbell and you've got your smartphone or tablet, you can answer that doorbell wherever you are, as long as you're connected to the internet. And again, you can also use it in your own home as well, so that you don't actually have to go to the front door. So I'll give you a quick demonstration. So you can see me on the screen there. You can hit the green button to speak or the red to hang up and disconnect. So the good thing about this system is it also has motion detection. So even if someone's loitering around on your property or at the front door, you can pick up on that, and you can use the two-way talk function to warn someone off, tell them to get off your property or that you've called the cops, etc., all from a safe place. The other thing that's good about that is that you can also have optional video recording to record events when doorbells are being when your doorbell's been rung or there's been motion detection events. So that's quite handy. In terms of setup, like I said, it's quite easy to set up and it's easy to use through the app. Other features that it has, it's high definition video camera that's been enhanced over the years. This is the original version, but there's multiple upgrades that have happened since with higher definition video, enhanced Wi-Fi connectivity and better battery life. It's got about 180-degree field of view, high level of encryption as well. It's weather resistant. It also, in terms of price, you can buy it Officeworks, Bunnings, etc. or online. The base model starts around $100 and goes up to around $500. The other thing I should say as well is it's got a chime that you can hook up as well in your house, somewhere central in your house or business, so that you can hear it in case you don't have your smartphone or tablet nearby. And I find this works well if you've got pets or dogs that can tune into this and then also investigate when there's been motion or the doorbell's been rung. So overall, I think it's quite an effective product. There's plenty of other types similar to this that you could look at as well. So I reckon check it out if you haven't got one already and have a look at incorporating this into your own home safety. So again, if you haven't got a home safety plan, that's something that ACT can assist you with as well in establishing that for yourself and tailoring it to suit you. Hopefully you got something out of this video. Feel free to like it or share it. Stay safe out there, guys.